So as you can see in the background, this is my presentation. I have used the Ladus app to perform my presentation. It has various integrations from other app as well. So you can use those integrations to enhance your presentation. As you can see, I have used a lot of 3D models in this presentation. They are from one of its integration app, that is Sketchfab, which will enhance the interest of the students because physics is usually a lot of terms and formulas. So I have tried to generate their interest, and as my theme says, a combination of facts and fiction. So you can see there's a lot of fantasy work, as well as later in my lesson comes a lot of facts. So it is relating day-to-day life with facts and simplifying the complex terms using analogies so that the students understand the concept very well. I have used two concepts over here, that is the concept of sound as well as the concept of current electricity, which is not usually followed in any of the teaching strategies, combining two different concepts. But actually in reality, these two concepts are very close to each other because sound and electricity both are a form of energy. So students are revising their previous knowledge as well as they're gaining some new input about the knowledge. And for the application part, in the fantasy land story as well, there's a fantasy part where the king has to choose one of its son. That is, he has two sons, that is sound and current, to be the head of the marine defense. So now the students have to put on their thinking caps and think effectively as to which energy, that is sound energy versus electrical energy, will be used for defense. So when you combine both of these things, they are applying it in their daily life. So application of physics is automatically happening without me trying to force it and trying to generate questions, direct questions. It is happening indirectly. So my strategy is basically indirectly making them learn through a style of a movie. Sometimes we go and watch science fiction movies. So even in science fiction movies, we learn a lot of scientific facts. For example, if you see the movie Avengers, you definitely learn some facts about science. So I try to use that concept in my lesson, that students don't lose interest and don't feel afraid of the terms of physics, and keep themselves engaged in the entire process without feeling too much of burden of knowledge coming their way, and also develop an overall understanding about the functioning and working of these forms of energy from the very basic level. Because if you have a very strong base of knowledge, you can apply it in future for more complex terms. So I've tried to strengthen their base of knowledge, and then so that they could apply it for future endeavors. Based on constructivism forms the basis, but I've integrated different things such as role play, decision making, applications through modifying constructivism in a suitable manner such that students feel comfortable learning in the entire process. And as you can see, I've tried to make the presentation in the back very visually appealing to the students, and I've tried to use the inductor-deductive approach, which verifies all the facts that are present. So simple verification of facts is taking place through the journey. So you don't have to rote memorize anything in terms of what is given, and you develop a suitable understanding. So I've tried my best to engage the students through my lesson, as you can see in the presentation that is presented behind. And that's it for my strategy. Thank you everyone.